Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off nemeth code of braille in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, find and tap the braille. Then in the braille section, find the equations, use nemeth code, and as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off nemeth code of braille in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!